everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lash with Lex. Today's video is going to be how to make our volume fans. We're going to get right into this video and we're not going to waste any time. I am going to be using a brand that I've had for a long time. I don't really use it, so I thought this would be the perfect trade to practice on. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and give our lashes a good brush through. This is going to fluff them out a little bit more. The only tweezer I'm going to be using is this 90-degree tweezer from Paris Lash Academy. This tweezer is the best for picking up lashes. So we are going to just go ahead and try to pick up a good amount of lashes as so, and we're going to pull it directly towards us. Now, with these type of lashes, anything over 0.07, a lot of times there are going to be scragglies, and that is perfectly fine. We're going to go ahead and give the base of the lashes a good pinch. Please keep in mind that your first time will not always be the best, and that is perfectly fine. We're going to go over this a good amount of time, so just stay tuned. I'm going to be doing minimal editing to this video because I really want you guys to see the rawness of what it's like to really make volume fans. So we're going to go ahead and pick up a good amount of lashes again as so. Just how we had stragglies the first time, it's going to happen. It happens to the best of us, and that's perfectly okay. As long as we give that base a good pinch, everything should come together. And if it doesn't, that is perfectly fine. We are going to practice this until we get it right. So as you can see, the base of the lashes sometimes are not always narrow, and that is okay. It is perfectly fine to give the base of the lashes a good amount of pinches before we dip it into the glue. Now, as you can see, the glue rings that I'm using have slits in it, and this is really good for making the base very narrow. I really want to put emphasis on this. Please do not get discouraged, especially for beginners. This takes time to learn for some people, and that is okay. Also, there are so many different methods that you can use when making volume fans using 0.03 and 0.05 diameters. I personally like this method for me. However, there are other methods that you can use to achieve the same fan. And if you take a look at the base of this current fan that I'm making, there is a huge slit in the base. So this is just to show you guys that it happens to everyone. Every fan that you make is not going to be perfect, and that is okay. So I'm going to be making fans for the remainder of this video. Please feel free to practice along with me and stay tuned for more important tips towards the end of this video. Also, please use this time to drop any questions that you may have in the comment section below. So here's a quick tip for anyone struggling to pick up lashes. I noticed that sometimes when we're grabbing the lashes with the 90-degree tweezer, a lot of the lashes may fall apart. So I'm going to be grabbing the lashes towards the base as so, and we're going to be pulling that directly forward. As you can see, we have a lot more control over the lashes, and we can just get rid of any stragglies that may come along. everyone, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope this was informative and informational for you all. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I have many more videos to come along with products and a lot of marketing techniques for my fellow lash artists and other service providers as well. So I will see you all in my next video. Bye!